Hi, I'm Bree from Grafa. Up next, we have Gemini. We're thrilled to have you live from Marina Bay Sands, Singapore at Token 2049. Today, we're spotlighting one of the heads in the industry, particular in the Asia region, Saad from Gemini. Saad, how are you going?
Good, thank you for having me.
It's a pleasure. Now, Saad, my first question for you. We saw Bitcoin and Ethereum push past Ether this year, but the cycle feels different. From your perspective, what's changed in the way capital is flowing into the market, and especially in Asia?
Yeah, the way that we see it from our vantage point, I think what's changed this cycle is real institutional adoption.
Yeah.
I think we talked about it a lot in the last cycle, but I think with the launch of the spot Bitcoin ETFs, a lot of the institutions have been able to come in, allocate to this without going through the process of trying to figure out how they would hold the underlying asset.
Yeah.
With the Bitcoin ETF approvals, they already have the pipes, they already have the infrastructure set up to allocate to the asset class, and they've been deploying to it. And that's why I think like the cycle feels a little bit different, because there's so much institutional adoption, and I think that's kind of been a theme through the last couple of days as well, as you might have noticed.
Absolutely. It's probably one of the biggest trends at the moment and the game changer in the market at the moment. So, let us know. Asia seems to be building real momentum in this space. So what's driving this and what's making the region stand out right now?
I think one of the differentiators for Asia is, of course, the fact that we have a lot of builders here. We have markets like Hong Kong, Singapore, Dubai, which it's a magnet for Web3 builders, crypto builders, and I think where the devs go in, you see the proliferation of use cases. Use cases drive more monetization onto the blockchain, and it effectively drives more builders in. So we're starting to see that positive feedback loop in Asia, where we're attracting builders, and builders are building more products, and the users are coming in. So I feel like we're in the early part of that cycle, but that's really exciting to see.
It is really exciting. Would you say that the growth is a bit exponential?
I think I'm not sure we've hit escape velocity yet, but I think there's a lot more room to run.
Yeah, bravo. Yeah. So let me know, Saad, looking ahead, where do you see the biggest opportunities for digital assets in Asia, and how is Gemini positioning itself to capture that growth?
So I'm obviously a bull in this space, but I think like one of the biggest opportunities is actually the crypto infrastructure play, which I don't feel gets enough attention. The nuts and bolts of the industry that we've built with tokenization, which has been again one of the topics I've been speaking about, with stablecoins. Like if you think about any company, they want to do payments faster. Every bank wants to do payments faster, more efficiently. Every multinational company wants to move funds fast across all of their entities, and they want to do it faster, better, cheaper. And that infrastructure is powered now by the real world assets, by stablecoins. And I feel like that's the multi-trillion-dollar opportunity that doesn't get talked about enough. And as we're still very early in scratching the surface of what that's capable of. And I feel that that's what takes crypto from a $3 trillion opportunity, which is it today, to a $100 trillion opportunity. And I feel that we're early stages there as well.
Yeah, absolutely. And we obviously need to see more adoption of users who aren't currently tapped into the market.
That's right. Exactly.
Amazing. And what are you most excited about for Gemini in the next 12 months?
Well, I think Asia is obviously really important to me as we look at growing Gemini here in the region. And so for us, it's really about expanding our footprint. We have a strong footprint in Singapore. We've been here for several years. We're licensed here. And we're going to continue trying to find ways to expand Gemini across the region, particularly in Asia. And so we're looking at organic and inorganic ways to grow our footprint and add more users to the Gemini platform and bring our services and products to more users here in Asia.
Incredible. Well, Saad, thank you for sharing. Thank you for your time. We wish you all the best.
Thank you for having me. It's been a real pleasure.
Thank you. You've been live with Saad from Gemini at Token 2049. For more news and interviews, head to grafa.com or download the app.